Welcome students, our MAT lectures through YouTube channel. In the previous videos, we are covering on GCDs and various methods are there. We cover two and you should know this famous algorithm. Algorithm means a step-by-step procedure given to a system so that it can perform the task very fast in less span of time. For example, computer can understand the algorithm, what are the steps, instructions, what are the instructions are going to give, that it is going to understand. Manually it will take time, but for a computer to understand the program, algorithm or the rule, division rule or Euclidean algorithm, both are same. It is given by Euclid, the famous mathematician. Under his heading, common name is division algorithm or division rule. Better you have to remember Euclid's algorithm or Euclid algorithm. What actually it gives us? It is the information given to the computer how to divide a number with another number. Simple. How we perform division at lower level, that it won't do it. But we can give the instructions instead of that in terms of rotations. For example, I write if A and B, I took small alphabets here to denote positive integers. If A and B are any integers, they can be positive or negative but not zero. Among these two, you can choose any one of them as a divisor, other is dividend, and the divisor must be a positive number. So by default, I'll take B. Let us take with, I continue with this one. With B is positive. The meaning of the is positive integer. I write in brackets here. The meaning of B more than 0 means positive integer. Positive integer. A positive integer. Or it is also called divisor. For more clarity's sake, we can write divisor. If it is divisor, it must be dividend. It must be dividend. Dividend is the biggest number. Divisor is the smallest number. We divide a bigger number with a smaller number. And this smaller number should be a positive integer as I mentioned here. If these two are given to you, because if these two are given to you, then we can find, we can find two other integers. Only integers we are playing here. Two other integers, we name them as small q, just like A and B here. And one more integer R. So here 4 integers are available to you. A and B, these two are given to you in the beginning. One is bigger one, other is smaller one. Smaller one is called divisor, bigger one is called dividend. I write all the names separately. When these two are given to you with this condition, being the integer B being positive, so that we can able to find out two more integers Q and R. What is going to happen here? So that we are going to get a relation between A, B and QR, that is given by algorithm here. That is bigger number always on left hand side. A, the bigger number is equal to, because these two are given to A and B I wrote, into Q plus the new integer what you obtained. A is equal to B into Q plus R, and we are going to give a condition that this last R value, it can be less than B or it can be more than or equal to 0. This one is called dividend, as I mentioned there in the beginning, dividend. This is called divisor. This is called Q, stands for quotient. Of course, R stands for remainder. This is called range of the remainder. What are the range of the remainder? Means what are the values that R can take. So if they ask you to state division algorithm like this, you need to understand, and specifically you can write like this. If A and B are any two integers, out of these two you choose any one. One is B. You can take B also more than 0. In that case, B comes here, A comes here. A is equal to BQ plus R. When these two are given to you with that condition, we can able to find out two more integers Q and R. These 4 integers will satisfy this equation. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So to understand this equation with that property, I can quote a simple example here so that it will clear to you about the Euclidean algorithm. Let us see one example how it relates. Example 13 divided by, I read in words, divide, very simple language. Divide 148 by 13. This is the question, right? So this is your B, it is positive. This is your A. Both are integers, right? Now, what we perform in general, we write 13, usual division, 1, 4, 8. So the idea is that we have to divide this number by 13. How you proceed? First one number is there, less than 13, you can't choose. Move to other number. So 14. 14 is more than 13, so we can divide only one time it goes. It's very simple division. We get 1 as a remainder. We bring out the second one, right? 18 more than 13, so again one time will go. Don't go further by taking decimal because in integers we won't be fractions. Now you see this is your A, this is your B. Whatever you get here, this is Q, this is your R. So what is the algorithm says? A is equal to B into Q plus R. You can write 148 is equal to B is 13, Q is 11 plus remainder is 5. And you see remainder 5 is less than 13. Remainder can be 0 or cannot be 0. I gave the range. Range of the remainder is it can be less than the divisor but more than or equal to 0. You can get 0. You see once you get a remainder which is less than this divisor, we have to stop the process. Means once you get a value remainder which is less than this divisor, we have to stop the algorithm. So this procedure is given to a computer. It will give you the values Q and R separately. So same thing, the old pattern only, but we wrote in the form of an equation. A is equal to BQ plus R, where range of R is so and so. This is about the equilibrium algorithm. In next video, we will see how this algorithm works to find out the GCD. That is most important to know for higher level students. Hope you followed this video. Do share, like and subscribe our channel so that many students can get concept points. All the best.